Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online English classes. In previous classes, I explained the poem The Road Not Taken, first and second stanza. Let's start the poem The Road Not Taken. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. First, you see the meanings. Trodden, walk in a specified way, or to say walked over. Equally, similarly. Now we start. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no steps had trodden black. Here poet says that both the path on that particular morning were equally and similar. The road is covered with leaves that morning and no one stepped on those road. Here leaves were still green in color and they had not turned black in color. That means no one had walked over either of the path. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. Here poet says that he take the first path for another day. The poet thought that it's okay. Today I had take this path and I will keep that path for another day. Now here poet correlate this with life. You won't go back to your choice. You had further more and more option, but you go in that way. You don't have a choice to select other. However, it seems that he regret his decision, slightly wonder if we will ever get to come back and take the other road. I doubted if I should ever come back. Poet says that I know that I should never come back to the other path. I doubted. Poet know that he can't come back to another path. Poet here says that in life also you can't come back whatever you choose in life. One time you have further go in that path only. In life also you take the correct option because life can't give you second chance again and again. Poet knew that he keep in heart that's okay. I keep this path for some other day. I shall be telling this with a shy somewhere ages and ages hence. Two road diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. First, you see the meaning shy, deep breath, hence, here in the future. I shall be telling this with a shy somewhere ages and ages hence. Here poet is telling about his future. What is the impact of the choice that he has made on his future? In future the poet feels that he will look back and then he decide whether the choice he made was correct or not. This maybe indicates that make a choice out of two objective responsible for our future, and that makes the difference. The choice may bring up right or wrong. He will be telling about his choice. A shy feels deep breath, expressing happiness, relief, sadness, etc. Making choice is an integral part of human action. If the choice is right, one makes the life a beautiful experience, and making a wrong choice makes the difference in life. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. He says that in the future I will take a deep breath and I will say that once upon a time I had reached such a point in my life that there were two options. There were two wood in a forest, and I travelled on that road which had been travelled upon by lesser pupil number of pupil, and that choice made me what I am today. I had made all the difference in my life. Now we correlate this to life in our future. When we grow up, then we will be said that once upon a time I was a young man. I had two options in life, and I chose that option which had chosen lesser pupil. And that choice made me what I am today. Actually, this is true. Whatever you became in your future life, that depends on what kind of choice you made today. So that the poet wants to make all of us realized thinking that we should very wise, which you make a choice while we select our path out of given alternatives. So this a strong message from all the students that you should be very careful while out of the option in your life, because your future depends on the choice that you make today. Thank you.